Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. We were in the chapter Ratio and Proportion, exercise 6b, page 83. Then we'll go for page 84 to complete our sums. Okay. First, page number 83, fourth question in that first bit. They have asked us to find the mean proportional between 16 and 4, mean proportional. In the previous teaching, I have taught you fourth proportional as well as the third proportional. Now we are going to learn to find the mean proportional. Mean means middle one, middle number or middle quantity. Yes, 16 and 4 given. Between them there is a proportional, they said. That we are going to identify. That we thought of x, as we said earlier. Let x be the mean proportional between the 16 and 4. Then 16, x, 4 are in continued proportion. Because between 16 and 4 only that mean proportional will lie. So that I have arranged x between 16 and 4. Then those three are in continued proportion. When the continued proportion are given here, then so 16 is to x is equal to x is to 4. The x only two times you should arrange. Is it clear? 16 is to x is equal to x is to 4. Then lines are drawn for both the ends as extremes and for the middle ones as the means. We said already that 16 into 4 is equal to x into x, because product of extremes is equal to product of means. Based on this concept, product of extremes is equal to product of means. This we have to memorize, I said, and this can be used for it. Then that 16 I have written as 4 into 4, because 4 4s are 16. Again 4 changed as 2 into 2 is equal to x into x, same I have dropped. This step is clear now to you? Okay. Next, 4 and 2 arranged in one bracket, another 4 and another 2 arranged in another bracket. Separately brackets were arranged in one bracket 4 and 2. Again another bracket 4 and 2. This side x into x, same I have dropped. Here x is for 2 times now. Here 2 brackets are with the same numbers. Once check 2 brackets with the same numbers. First bracket with 4 into 2. Second bracket also with 4 into 2. Here x same only. That means first bracket will be first time x value. Second bracket will be the second time x value. Finally x is nothing but 4 into 2. Yes or no? 4 2s are is 8. The x we thought is mean proportional. Therefore mean proportional we thought as x. The answer is 8 we got. This is the procedure we can use to find the mean proportional. Mean proportional is middle of the given numbers. So that is 16 and 4 given. Middle of both of them x we have placed. That only we got as 8. I hope this sum is clear. And other sums are of same model. We can do it. If the decimal given, how we have to do in the decimal also, I have already taught in the fourth proportional case, and already we have got idea in that. And if the fraction comes, the fraction method also I have taught you one sum. The same procedures can be used to do it. Let us go page number 84, question number 5 in that first bit. Let us see. Page 84, question 5 first. All of you look at the board. A is to B given as 3 is to 5. B is to C given as 4 is to 7. Finally they said us to find A is to B is to C. Here A is to B given, again B is to C given, we need to find A is to B is to C. Okay, so that part we have to identify. The thing is, here in the A is to B appearing, and B is to C, also B appearing. B is commonly appearing in both the ratios. Am I correct? That only I have written. Here B is common. B term is that B, here B is there also B is there. That B is common, but their values are not equal. The values of the B are not equal. Here B is 5, here B is 4. Here B value is 5, here B value is 4. B terms, their values are not equal. Am I correct? That only written. Here B is common in both the ratios, but their values are not equal. Yes or no? Because here 5 and there 4. 5 and 4 both are not equal. To make them equal, those B values, what we have to do? Change B terms, change those B terms to the LCM of B terms. Those B terms we have to change. To whom? To the LCM of those B terms. How we are going to get to? We will see now. Then LCM of the B terms called 5 and 4. Here B is 5, here B is 4. So LCM of the B terms called 5 and 4, LCM of 5 and 4 gives you 20. That means here B term should change to the 20. Here B term also should change to the 20. Then our task will be easy. As they have asked, we can write A is to B is to C. Okay, now students? Then here A is to B, given question I have written, is equal to 3 and 5, no? 3 is to 5. Then no, B term means this is the second term. That second term I want to get 20. Why? Because LCM of the B terms is 20. That 20 I must get. B term answer should be 20 I want to get. That means that 5 should multiply with 4. Because B term is actually what? B term 5. This is 5 actually. B term is actually 5. 5 should multiply with something. 5 should multiply with something to get our answer as LCM of B terms, that is 20. 5 4s are 20. 5 into 4, when we do 5 4s are 20. This 20 is nothing but the LCM of our B terms. Am I correct? So our target is the LCM is how much for the B terms, that much only the B term should be changed. So B changed as 20 with 5 4s are 20. Am I correct? So whenever this 5 is multiplied with 4, then 3 also should multiply with 4. Now where did we get this 3? This 3 is nothing but A value 3 we have actually. A value is 3, but 3 should multiply with 4. Why? Because here 4 is used for the multiplication in order to get our LCM 20. The same 4 I should write with in the multiplication with A also. So 3 4s are is 12. A is to B, actually 3 is to 5. Now A is to be changed as 12 is to 20. 12 is to 20. Suppose if I cancel with fourth table, 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20. 3 is to 5, again I will get back. But I want to see in the place of B 20, because we want to equal the terms of the B in both the cases. Then only our answer, we can get final answer. Am I correct? So that's why A is to be changed as 12 is to 20 and B is to C. Actually B is to C what? 4 is to 7. That means 4 and 7. Actually 4 is to 7 only. But newly I have taken 5 and 5 to multiply each. Why? Because 4 5s are is 20. B we should change to the 20. 20 is nothing but our LCM of the B terms. So B term I want to change to the 20, but we have 4 in the actual question. 4 5s gives you 20. When 5 is required here, same 5 I have to write in the C term also. 7 is there actually. 7 5s are is 35. Is it clear for you? Then 20 is to 35 we have got. So here 20 we have got B value is 20 here. Here B value is 20 we have. So there B value 20. Here B value also 20 only we have got. That means B terms are equal now. Finally we have to write what they have asked. That is A is to B is to C is equal to A value is 12 is to B value is 20 in both the cases. C value is 35. So 12 is to 20 is to 35 we have got. Finally, is there any common table to cancel them? No common table for all the three numbers to make them cancel. And those three terms remains the answer for A is to B is to C. Since B is common in both the ratios, we have to equal those B terms with the help of their LCM. That only we have done. One more question is there with the same model. We will do that part also. I hope this is very clear. Same knowledge we will apply in the next question to get in the same way. But that is a fraction given. That is given fraction. First, those fractions we should convert to the ordinary whole numbers, and later those whole numbers will be converted to the equal values of the common term there. In the same procedure we can finish that. Okay now students, let us see in the question 5 only fourth bit, because other sums are of the same model. Let us discuss fourth question. All of you look at here. P is to Q values are given. Q is to R, those values also given in the form of fractions. We have to convert them into whole numbers first. Then we will go for the previous method through which we have done. Let us see. P is to Q is equal to 1 by 2 into 6 I have written. From where did I get 6? That is LCM of both the denominators 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 denominators gives you 6. That's why that 6 I have used to multiply in every term. 1 by 2 into 6 is to 1 by 3 into the LCM 6. 2 1s 2, 2 3s are 6. 3 1s 3, 3 2s are 6. Now 3 1s are 3 is to 2 1s are 2. P is to Q changed as 3 is to 2 from the fractions. Okay. Then same way Q is to R. 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 into 6 their LCM for the denominators is to 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 into 6 their denominators LCM as we have done for the first case. Now cancellation. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Am I correct? Then 3 3s are 9 is to 4 2s are 8. That is Q is to R is equal to 9 is to 8. Now Q is 9. Here Q is 2. Here Q is common, but the values are not equal. Wherever Q is identified, their values are not equal also identified. But Q is equal in both the ratios. Actually, here Q is there, and here Q is there. Both are equal only, but their values are not equal. To make them equal, change Q terms to the LCM of Q terms. That LCM of the Q terms 2 and 9. Here Q is 9. Here Q is 2. So 2 and 9 LCM gives you 18. So that Q term should change to the number 18. Now P is to Q is equal to, this Q is actually 2 only, but 2 should multiply with 9. 2 9s is our 18. Am I correct? When 9 is used, for P value also I should multiply with 9 to make them equal. 3 9s are 27 is to 2 9s are 18. Now Q term changed to 18. Whenever here 9 is required, here also 9 is required, I said. Why that 9 is multiplied in the first case also? Because 3 9s are is 27 no? 2 9s are is 18 no? Now what can be the common table to cancel both of them? Ninth table. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. 3 is to 2 as P is to Q. P is to Q answer is 3 is to 2. To get the same answer, we have to multiply. How much we have multiplied here with the ninth table? Here also with the ninth table we have to multiply. Then only the ratio will not get any change in its basic value or in the actual value. Okay, no? To not to get any change in the actual value, we should use the same number in the multiplication. That means if the ratio, the terms of the ratio multiplied with the same number or divided by with the same number, then the value of the ratio will not change. This information we have learned in the class 6. The same thing was used here. The next and Q is to R. What is actually Q is to R? We got to 9 is to 8. 9 is written, 8 is written. But this Q value should change to 18. For that 9 should multiply with 2. 9 2s are only 18. Because Q should change to 18. That is our target, as our LCM is showing that. Am I correct? Whenever multiplied with 2 here, there also should multiply with 2. Then only the value of the ratio will not get any change. Okay? Then 8 2s are is changed as 16. Now Q is to R changed to 18 is to 16. Finally they said us to find P is to R. P value is to R value. What is P? We got P value starting value 27. So that 27 is to R. R value is the last value, that is 16. 27 is to 16. There is no common table to cancel them. So those will be left there as the simplest form. P is to R is equal to 27 is to 16. That remains as answer. That is only final answer for us. I hope things are very clear for you. The sums are left here and there, and you have to do those sums in the free timings in the rough notebooks. Okay, no? So in the next teaching part, other part of exercise I will discuss. I hope things are very clear. If any concept is not clear, once again watch the video for more clarity, and surely you will understand about it. And take care of learning all this. Write in your classwork notebook. Okay, students? Okay, thank you.